This is Chronicles 9917. Let's do this thing 5 times. Here we go. Good luck to all. Thank you guys for filling this up. Let's do it. 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5. Top is Rams, bottom is Packers. That's 5 times. Get rid of the random. Drop it in exactly where you picked up your spots in 9917. And save. And it should be 5, 6, and 8. Yep. It's saved. And here we go. One more time. Good luck to all. Let's find out who gets what. Pulling up the random.org. It'll say 6 times. The winner is whoever has the Titans. 6 times. Titans on top. Who has the Titans in this one, Dale? Spot 4, Matt Wilson. Oh, boy. He hung out on the weekend. He was here. Matt Wilson in 9917. He won't be an angry kangaroo if that gets up. Oh, I've put the wrong things in. I've saved onto the wrong list. All right, here we go, 9917. He'll be a happy kanga. All right. Ridley, Waller, Mayfield, Anthony Schwartz, Chuba Hubbard, Sam Ellinger to 199. Shane Bichelle, Mac Jones. Would you mind getting me a couple of grey trays? I'm going to chuck those in because I'm going to turn that camera on to face me, just in case. Eli Mitchell, Brandon Cooks, that old Elgato happens. Dalton Schultz. Kenneth Gainwell, Jamar Chase, Micah Parsons, Kadarius Toney, Micah Parsons. Do you have any of the Sixers? The one with all of them in? Deontay Johnson, Mike Gesicki, Silva, Rashad Bateman. There should be a few around with all of them filled in. Yeah, Trevor Lawrence, Michael Carter. Red, Russell Wilson to 199. Mac Jones, Rondale Moore. Jesus. Again, I swear I made it somebody's job, but Joe Mixon, DeAndre Swift. Auto to 75, Anthony Schwartz. Justin Fields, Kellen Mond. Red to 399, Nick Chubbery. Trevor Lawrence and JC Horn. Tom Brady, Trevor Lawrence. A Joycey of Saquon Barkley to 199. Jamar Chase, Michael Carter, Felipe Franks, Kellen Mond, Dak Prescott. Mike Evans, James Robinson. Silver, Trevor Lawrence for the Jags. There is a bit of a mark on there. It looks like a mark that will come off. I'm not going to touch it. Devonta Smith, Elijah Moore. Red, Devonta Smith. Number 299, Justin Fields, and Terrace Marshall Jr.